I just am so happy with how it turned out. I can't wait to give this to my maid of honor. Hopefully, Mackenzie, you better say yes, girl. I'll have to show you once I get the other boxes made. I'll have to show you like the goodies that are inside and then like how I decorated it. So good morning, lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I know I look like a mess, so I'm about to flip the screen, but super exciting moment right now. I have one of my besties on the way here. We're actually getting ready. We're gonna go to Disney today. We're gonna hit up Magic Kingdom. Go figure, me at Disney, right? But anyways, I haven't got to ask her yet if she wants to be one of my bridesmaids. And this is seeing that I'm silly and I forgot to film the rest of my bridesmaids, like what's in the box video. I'm gonna show you in a quick, brief little setting what I basically put together, what I made, and what I'm gifted the girls. So here we go. So yes, my table looks like a cluttered mess right now, but just showing you what basically I have and everything. So I got these boxes. Look at how pretty they are. So my whole like vibe and theme is kind of like French rustic chic, because we're getting married at a venue that's basically like it's a gorgeous like outside white barn, but it's very rustic and chic. And then just like for the style of what I want to do, it's going to be kind of just like, obviously I want pink, lots of pink color, but I really like this blue as well, like intertwined with the pink, and just make it kind of like more like French-esque. So I thought this box was like perfect for that. And then what I've been doing, I still need to do it for this one, time crunch. Basically what I'm doing, I'm writing just on the inside of the box, do you want to be my bridesmaid? Excuse me, sir. You've already eaten your breakfast. Oh! Oh my goodness, he is a handful some days. But anyway, so it's like a little twist on the Frozen. Do you want to build a snowman? So yeah, you know. So I'm going to do that here soon. But then inside the box, what I'm super excited about are these gorgeous little champagne flutes. Oh my God, I absolutely love them so much. And yes, I did them myself. Just look at how they sparkle. I got everything. So they are real Swarovski crystals because you know me and my rhinestoning. I just absolutely love all the glitz. And then I found the pink and white, and there's even like ivory little pearls in there. They're all flat back. I use the glue E6000 to stick them on. Basically, I use a toothpick, get a little bit, dab it where I want it, and then I either use, I actually made a toothpick, I don't have it out right now. I made a toothpick and I put E6000 on the end like a little like ball, let that dry. Sometimes for like the itsy bitsy ones or like the big pearl ones, I would just use that to pick it up and stick it then onto the glue of the glass. Or for the itsy bitsy ones, a tweezer works. Tweezers work for the big ones, but like those big ones, it was hard to like get the off of the tweezer in the end. So that's where like the glue on the end, the dry glue on the end of the stick came in handy. And that's just me makeshifting something, but it totally worked. And then I just put like a little bit there on the bottom. I did have bows originally made, like white lace with like a pink ribbon. I had a bow here, but I figured for washing purposes, it would just be easier, and I didn't want to like worry about not getting the bow wet and stuff, so I took it off. And then I just ordered these cute little monogram stickers off of Etsy, and I'll have the shop link down below because right off the top of my head I can't think of it, but I've ordered from her before and I absolutely love them, and I just think it's really cute there with the heart. And then I just made it their initial just so they can use this like afterwards. That's kind of what I'm doing with a lot of the things. I just wanted them to be able to use things after. Moving on, we have now to have a little take on the Stony Clover rage. So I obviously, for my bridesmaids, I couldn't afford so many Stony Clover bags. So I actually found these bags off of Amazon, and it came in a pack of 2. You can see there's a smaller one inside there. They had them in the pink, which obviously, duh, loved it. And then they had a really pretty, like a baby teal blue color, which I almost was debating on, but I was just like, no, do the pink, that's you. And then again, I just got their initial. This is a Stony Clover patch. It's the Stony Clover by Love Shack Fancy. And I got them their initials again, slapped that on the smaller one because I feel like the big one, yes, will be great for travel, but I feel like the smaller one on like a day-to-day purpose, like you might be able to use that more. So that's why I stuck the patch on the smaller. Then, just because these beads are so like trendy right now, and like Yes, it might seem kind of like simple, but I absolutely love these little stretch bead bracelets. And I had my girl at Laguna Beads. Oh my gosh, she makes the darlingest bracelets. But I had her make these special custom bracelets for me. So I have basically the girls' nicknames here. And I have one that then says Queenie for me. And she also made me one that says Bride. Oh my gosh, I just love them so much with like the pearls. These gold little beads in here are actually 14 karat gold. And then this other bead that goes with it is just the pearl, and it's like ivory and pearl like in between. So I just thought that was really cute. I also have a robe. She's upstairs hanging up, getting the wrinkles out, but I'm gonna throw that in there. And then basically this is the filling. Got all of the stuff. Obviously I ordered extra. I got all this stuff off of Amazon, and I just have to make a hair bow yet with my supplies right here. So as you can see right here, now I have the robe, and so I ended up doing 2 different colors. So my girl Megs is getting kind of like the dusty rose color, and the other color that I went with, the other 2 girls have, is blush. So just to make it even, you know, 2 and 2, just trying to see what will go with their hair. I don't have anything wrote on them. I thought about getting bridesmaids put on the back, but again, this way they'll be able to wear this like on a day-to-day basis, like after or even before. Just don't mess it up, girls. And here it is all packed up. And then I have on the lid, do you want to be my bridesmaid? I just think it's so cute, just because obviously the girls get it in correlation with me. But yeah, so just kind of scatter the little white wedding grass everywhere. I stuck it inside the glass just for extra protection. That way you can like read the monogram a little bit better. So it's not like amazing, lightly packed or anything like that, but it's really cute, and all the other girls' faces have been amazing when they open it. So now I'm just going to close this box up. Now to make the bow, basically I have these little hair clips. I got this ribbon from Michael's and I love it. I think it's like very Love Shack Fancy-esque, again, on a budget. This is like a trial and error basis, and it ended up working. So I just kind of like take a lot of this and I just keep kind of like rolling. You'll see what I do. You're probably like, Laura, how are you getting a bow out of this? Don't worry, I'm not done yet. So I'm just making the loops and I scrunch as I go just to see if that's like the shape that I'll like. So right here, this is basically basing it off of the size that I want it to be. But I want like it to be a double bow. So I have the excess, and now I'm just going to keep it gathered in the middle, taking it up and over. Again, gathering the center, creating the double bow for each side. And then this little tail here, I'm going to basically just wrap around the front side of the bow. I'm going to bend in the edges just so it's skinnier, and then I'll wrap it so it has like a nice center. There you go. Now I'm going to sew it together just using white thread, and honestly I'm just sewing the back, just making sure to get the actual bow part and then that little tail that wrapped around, because that's what's really going to help hold it all together then. When you get to the end, basically what you want to do after you get it pulled through, you have that loop that's left there. If you can see that, yes you can, and then stick the needle through the loop. You're making a knot. So you're gonna wanna do that at least twice in the same spot, if not 3 times. This part is a little tricky just because of figuring out how to hold it. As you can see, I'm gonna, not glue, I'm gonna sew it on right there. Again, I'm trying to go quickly because my friend is on her way here as we speak. Luckily, she has an hour drive, but still, I need to get ready for the park yet. Oh my goodness. Voila! So now we have her all done. See, I told you the bow would turn out. So if you look into making a bow, it definitely helps if you get a ribbon that has like a wire trim, because then after you get it all made, or even if you're, say you're traveling or you throw it in a bag and it gets smashed, the wire, you're going to be able to like give it some life again. So I just made it enough with my lace ribbon. Basically the lace, I stick the lid on and I just slide the lace all the way under. I bring the ends up and I tie them into a bow. I was hoping it would be a little bit longer, but that's okay because my extra that I have over here, I'm going to return. So this will make do. It's just a little bow to tie it shut. So anyways, I have that, and then I just slid the hair bow right through the knot of the lace bow. So it's on there, and she just looks so pretty. So I'm super excited. Like I said, I'm kind of on a hustle, like time crunch right now. So I'm gonna say bye-bye, you lovelies, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed how I put my bridesmaids gift together, if you enjoyed what I decided to get to put it together, then please give the video a thumbs up. It's always so greatly appreciated. If you're not yet subscribed, you know the drill, and I would love you so, so much if you just hit that button and subscribe to the channel. If you click the bell down below, it's gonna notify you every single time I upload a video. I think my coffee's kicking in. I'm finding a lot more energy. So until next time, lovelies, I promise I'll have makeup on my face and I'll be with you longer, but have a lovely day. Bye-bye.